So here we have the Audi A1 on a 13 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car first, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the car first. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car. And then, as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle, though, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way around, particularly for its age. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the centre, you can see that we've got a digital readout for the speedometer being displayed there. You can change that for any of the piece of information you see here. So we have a onboard computer, which will display your total miles. They are 52,517. If we back out to the steering wheel, the buttons I was just using are here. We have our stereo controls, and then over into the center, the main screen itself for the stereo. So we're on the radio menu at the moment, where you can see we've got FM and medium wave radio. The movement that you see me making on the screen at this moment in time is being done using this dial. These 4 buttons relate to the 4 corners of the screen, and then you can go into certain menus directly. So we're on radio. If you're listening to your own music, for example, you go into media, and then that top right-hand button for source, where you can see we've got an SD memory card input, CD player, Audi's multimedia interface, and we have Bluetooth audio as well. So loads of ways to listen to your music. You can make changes to your treble, bass, balance, fader. We have a car-related menu as well, and of course, you can pair up your phone. Beneath that screen, we can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is off when that light shows. We have our CD player, the main volume for the stereo, SD memory card inputs, and then below that, the air conditioning. So you can adjust the temperature, fan speed, and direction of the air. That's the air conditioning on and back off again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you set here. We have traction control. You can turn on and off. Rear heated screen, a 12-volt charging socket, 2 cup holders, and then the 6-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at 7daysonly.co.uk. We'd love to hear from you soon.